Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of representing multiplication facts. This is standard 3.4E in the great state of Texas. We're using item number 25 off the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, see if you can solve this problem on your own, then unpause it. We will look at our answers together. So we have just a few simple sentences here. It says, the model shown can represent two number sentences. And all we have is a picture or a model of 6 stars, 2 rows of 3. Which two number sentences can the model represent? So we're looking to see how can we take a multiplication fact. So let's just go ahead and say this is 6. And how can we represent it in multiple ways? Well, there's only going to be one answer. 3 are going to be incorrect. So an easy way, we'll do the quick way, then we'll do the longer way. The easy way to do this is just to put 6 in the answer of every single one of these and see which one has two number sentences that make sense. So 3 times 3, nope, that is incorrect because 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3, yes, that works. So A is almost right, but it's going to be wrong. 3 times 2 works. 3 plus 3, that works as well. So B is going to be our answer. Let's just double check to make sure C and D are incorrect. 2 times 3 works. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So we're close, but we are incorrect there. And then 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So that is not going to work. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So that is going to work. So the simple answer is B. Now, how do we get some of these incorrect answers? Because they are going to be close here. So this 3 times 3 on A, if we wanted to do that, what we're looking at is an array of 3 times 3. And that's why this equals 9. And it doesn't work because it's the wrong operation. If they would have said 3 plus 3, which is what we have up here, 3 plus 3, 2 rows of 3, that would have worked. So B obviously works here, but let's look at C. So C says 2 groups of 3, so that's what we have here. We've got 2 groups of 3, but then it says 2 times 2 times 2. Well, let's take a look at this. Let me just recreate the array right here. All we need to do is we need to replace these times, these multiplication, with pluses, and it would actually work. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because even though you can look at this and you can say, well, you got 2 rows and you got 3 columns, and so that would be 2 times 3 equals 6. You can also do 3 times 2 equals 6. That's the commutative property. Commutative property tells you that you can do your multiplication facts in any order, and you can also do addition facts in any order, and the answer stays the same. Where the 2 plus 2 plus 2 comes in is when you're looking at it in groups like this. So there's your 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because when you're looking at 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is really saying 2 groups of 3, or 3 plus 3. So that's kind of the interesting part about multiplication is you can take this times right here and you can replace it with the word groups of, and you can change any multiplication problem into an addition problem, a repeated addition. So that's where this 3 plus 3 comes in. So if you flipped the 2 times 3 and you said it's going to be 3 times 2, well, now your 3 times 2 is going to be, I'll write it down here, 3 groups of 2, and that's where you get your 2 plus 2 plus 2, because I have 2 that I'm adding 3 separate times. And you see that's what it works on D down here, but this 3 plus 3 plus 3, it has just one too many plus 3s. If I could take this last 3 off and say 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 3, that would work. So our answer is B, because it shows 2 different ways to show the value of 6.